Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be making an insanely yummy pancake feast. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I wish I was here to eat it. I'm gonna cry. That actually looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh. Anyways, so while I mourn my loss, I just wanted to say that this recipe is all gluten free and it is by Chef Renata, my aunt. And just as a reminder, she has her own channel on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram for teaching Arabic to beginners and advanced learners. It is very simple and short and sweet, and I love using it every day because it keeps me up to date. So give that a follow. And back to the recipe. So 3 eggs, sugar, vanilla. Then you're going to mix that up. And as a side note, this is gluten-free solely because of the flour we used. So if you don't want it to be gluten-free, just use a normal just normal white flour. And then you're going to add a half cup of coconut oil and then 3 cups of our gluten-free flour, but for you guys, you can use regular flour. And the coconut oil, make sure to melt it in the microwave beforehand so that you don't get any lumps. And then just continue to whisk that as well after you add all of your dry ingredients. Also, 3 tablespoons of baking powder. And you could also use a stand mixer, but everyone has their preference. Because for some people, I know that it's actually really fun to do everything by hand. And then also some salt and 2 1/4 cup of milk. Then go ahead and mix that. And see, I told you, she switched to a hand mixer. Now we have separated our pancakes into 4 separate bowls. One of our bowls will be comprised of pancakes and chocolate chips. So go ahead and put those chocolate chips in and mix it. And I believe these chocolate chips that we used were sugar-free as well, so healthy. And also, like, when it comes to chocolate chips, you really just want the chocolate taste. So the fact that there's no sugar in them is okay because the rest of the batter is sugary. And then in another one of the bowls, you're going to add blueberries. She only mixed it a little bit so that it could keep the nice swirls. And then in another bowl, you're going to add cocoa powder. And this is actually going to be used to make the outlines for little drawings on our pancakes, which is a lot more difficult than it looks. So props to Chef Renata for doing such a great job. And so she's just going to put them now into squeezable bottles so that she has more control over what she's drawing. So yeah, just go ahead and pour those in. We're going to coat our pan with avocado oil. We're going to begin. So for this drawing, we will be doing a smiley face. And then because the brown has dried a little bit, it shouldn't mix. So make sure to wait a little bit and then add the next color. Once the bubbles begin to form, that's when you can flip. Once they begin to form and pop. Here's also a heart. And my dad is also making a drawing of his own. And here is a star drawing. And now we're going to move on to the chocolate chip pancakes. We could just use a normal scooper here because we're not being precise with anything. And this is just a normal pancake because there are some members of my family that just like to have toppings instead of toppings inside of it. So you can eat this with cream or a sauce. You can check out how we made our cranberry sauce in the upper right hand corner. That paired so well with these pancakes. And then these ones are the blueberry ones. And then that's it. You're ready to serve with, like we said, cream, cranberry sauce, maple syrup, chocolate syrup, whatever you want. And you can mix and match and do whatever combinations that you like. And we just wanted to also say that even though this year has been really difficult for all of our brothers and sisters in Palestine and Lebanon and all over the world, inshallah, if we stick together and we have a strong will, then everything will work out, and Allah will help us get through it, and that next year is a better year for everybody. So we hope that the world gets a lot of peace, and that this is a nice way to close this year with these pancakes, and that we can make, the next time we make them, everyone will be safe and happy. So that's it. We hope you guys enjoy these pancakes and that you have a wonderful new year. Happy pancaking. Bye bye.